Good morning, my dear class 7 English version students. I hope everyone is okay. In the previous class, I have also started our first topics. Basically, it's also the physics-based topics. Basically, the another topics. The name is the heat and temperature, chapter 9. In the previous class, I have also explained about what's the meaning of the heat and what is temperature and the measurement of temperature. Here today I have also selected another topics, basically temperature based topics. Today I have just selected our new topics, the mercury thermometer. You have also know what's the mercury thermometer. I have just seen this structure. It's also I have drawn this structure is the mercury thermometer, and it's also the 0 to 100 degrees Celsius structure. So, my dear student, this structure is basically count the mercury thermometer. It's also the 94 to 108 structure. And you have also learned what's the mercury thermometer. Now, please everyone see the books and what's the meaning of the mercury thermometer. The type of thermometer that uses mercury as an indicator. Basically, here's the basically this structure. It's also the fill up about the mercury, and the indicator of temperature is called the mercury thermometer. You have certainly seen the thermometer which is used to measure fever. So, my dear students, you have also know, I have also draw this structure, and also in that few times ago I have also shown this structure. The another name is the mercury thermometer, and another name is the measurement of the fever. It is mercury thermometer. It consists of a thick walled glass tube with a narrow and uniform bore. At one end there is a thin walled bulb. The other end is kept open at first. The bulb is filled with pure and the dry mercury through the open end. The rest of the tube does not contain anything except a small amount of mercury vapor. The tube is then graduated according to a fixed scale for measuring temperature. Here this structure is the fixed scale, the mercury thermometer. Again, the temperature, so mercury goes upward to a great extent if the temperature of the bulb slightly increases. It's also this structure is the grown, and it's also the slightly increases, and how much temperature increases can be understood by observing the mercury level on the scale. When I have also see and observe how much we can also understood again I also repeat this line, how much temperature increases can be understood by observing the mercury level on the scale. Next page, please everyone turn on the next page, the measuring scale of temperature. In order to measure anything, they have also 2 points. One point is the freezing point and another point is the boiling point. Now, the measuring scale of temperature. In order to measure anything, the first step is to fix a unit of the thing as a standard for measurement. In measuring temperature, two fixed temperatures. Again, I have also explained two fixed temperatures are considered as a standard. These are known as the fixed points. One is the freezing point and the other is the boiling point. Now, my dear students, I have also explained the definition, what's the meaning of the freezing point, and the another name is the boiling point. Now, first structure is the freezing point. The temperature at which pure ice melts under the normal atmosphere pressure is called the freezing point. So, the solid to the turn onto the liquid, the another name is the freezing point. I think everyone has understood what's the line. Again, I will also repeat. The temperature at which pure ice melts under normal atmospheric pressure is called the freezing point. Another type is the boiling point. What's the meaning of the boiling point? The temperature at which pure water boils to vapor under normal atmospheric pressure is called the boiling point. So, freezing point and very important is the boiling point. Now, the interval between the boiling point and the freezing point is divided into a suitable number of equal divisions. The interval which is divided into a suitable number of equal divisions gives us different scales based on it. Presently, two scales of temperature are followed. Two scales are explained below. First is the Celsius scale, very important scales we have also followed in this word, and the another name is the Fahrenheit scale. First, I have also explained the Celsius scale, and another name is the Fahrenheit scale. I have also read this structure is the 0 degree to 100 degree. Yes, the 0 degree is the freezing point, the 100 degree is the boiling point. It's also the Celsius scale. Another name is the Fahrenheit scale. When it's also grown up, the 32 degree, it's also the freezing point, and 200 into 12 degree is the boiling point. Now, I have also explained the Celsius scale. What's the meaning of the Celsius scale and what's the definition of the Celsius scale? The freezing point in this scale is marked 0 to 100. Okay? 0 degree and the boiling point is the marked 100 degree. The interval between 2 points is divided into 100 equal divisions. Each division is called 1 degree Celsius. 1 degree Celsius. Scientist Celsius introduced this scale. It was then named Celsius scale after his name. This scale is used for scientific works in the different countries of the world, including Bangladesh. Such as you listen to weather forecast that the maximum temperature of the day was 30 degrees Celsius, as the interval between the 2 points is divided into the 100 degrees Celsius. It is called the centigrade. Centi means 100 and grade means divisions. My dear, again I have also explained centigrade. Please everyone underline these words. First, centi. Centi means 100 and the grade means divisions scale. Now, Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit. What's the scale of the Fahrenheit 32 to 212 degree Fahrenheit? Yes, the Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, the freezing point is marked 32 degree, freezing point 32 degree, and the boiling point is marked 212 degree. The interval between the 2 points is divided into 180 equal divisions. Here's 212 to 32 minus the another structure is the 180 equal divisions. Each division is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. Scientist Fahrenheit invented this scale. It is called the Fahrenheit scale after his name. Such as when you have fever, anyone can say that your fever is 101 degree. Basically, in reality, the temperature of your body is the 101 degree Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Only we in this Bangladesh, in the Bangladesh, we have also count the Celsius is the weather, and when I have also count my fever, we have also measured the Fahrenheit scale. So it's also the important difference. Again, relation between Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. It's also my last topic today. What's the relation between the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale? If you know the temperature in Celsius scale, it can easily be transformed into the Fahrenheit scale, and vice Celsius and Fahrenheit scale versa. For this, you have to know the equation. Here's the equation. Please everyone see the boards. Basically, C divided by F. Here's the C divided by 5. C divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. It is also the equation. Again, I have also this structure is the C, that means the Celsius. Here's the F, that means the Fahrenheit. So the equation is the C divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Again, here's the C, the temperature in Celsius scale, and the 5, F, the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale. My dear students, we have also an example about the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. How can we have also transformed the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale? Example. A player of a Bangladesh cricket team feels sick while anything playing in Australia. Yesterday we have also won the T20 game about Australia. We have also won the 3 games. I think everyone know in the yesterday. Again, a player of the Bangladesh cricket team feels sick while playing in Australia. An Australian doctor measured his temperature and found in 38 degrees Celsius. So here's the C is equal to 38 degrees Celsius. Here's the C, that means the 38 degrees Celsius. What is the body temperature of the player in Fahrenheit scale? So very easily we can also use the equation. Yes, we know C divided by F, C divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Here's the C equal to 38. Yes, and therefore we have also write this structure is the 38 divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Here this structure is the 5 into F minus 32 and 5 into F minus 32 and the 38 into 9. Again, or F minus 32, F minus 32, this structure is the 300. Basically, this structure is the 342. 342 divided by 5 or 5 equal to 68.4 plus 32. This structure is the 32 again. F last the Fahrenheit scales is gone to the 100.4. The body temperature. Finally, the body temperature of the player in Fahrenheit scale is 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. So, my dear students, I hope everyone can practice the transform the Celsius and turn into the Fahrenheit. I hope everyone can understand and everyone can revise these topics. Basically, these topics is the measurement of temperature. Yes, the measurement of temperature, we can also know that there are 2 scales. First scale is the Celsius scale and second is the Fahrenheit scale. And we can also the mathematical equation. Here's the mathematical equation is the C divided by 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. I hope everyone is okay, and that's all today. Goodbye.